Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Daraz store name. First, you need to log into your Daraz Seller Center account. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Account Settings section. Here, you will find the specific field designated for your store name. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary modification options within the platform. It's a straightforward process to begin your name change journey. After locating the store name field, you must submit a formal request to Daraz. This typically involves a dedicated form within the Seller Center. Be sure to provide a clear and concise reason for wanting to change your store's name. Additionally, it is essential to ensure your proposed new name fully complies with all of Daraz's established naming guidelines and policies before submission. This step is vital for a smooth approval process. Once your request is submitted, Daraz will begin its review process. This usually takes several business days for their team to assess. You will receive a notification directly within your Seller Center or via email, informing you whether your name change has been approved or, if necessary, rejected. Upon successful approval, your new store name will automatically become active across the Daraz platform, reflecting your updated brand identity. Before finalizing your decision, consider that changing your store name can affect how customers recognize your brand. It is important to update all your marketing materials, social media, and any other branding elements to reflect the new name immediately. Planning this transition carefully will help minimize any potential confusion or disruption for your loyal customers. A well-executed change ensures continued brand consistency and customer trust.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.